In this video, I'm going to show you how to install or uninstall Microsoft Store apps in Windows 10 or in Windows 11. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, just go ahead, open up the Microsoft Store. Just type in the search menu, Microsoft Store, and just go ahead, open that up as you can see now. Just give it some time to load. Now just go ahead, search for any app you want, or just scroll down. In my case, I will choose ChatGPT. So now if you want to download, just click on Get and just wait for the app to get downloaded, as you can see. Now, and after the app is downloaded, as you can see, this notification will pop up for you at the bottom right. You can click on Open, or you can just search in the search menu by the name of the app, as you can see, and you can click on Open there. And now if you want to uninstall this app that you downloaded or any other apps, it's simple. Just go ahead and the search menu, type in Settings, go ahead, open that up. And in the left side, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, and there, just type in the name of the app you want to uninstall. Go ahead to the right, click on the three dots, and then click on Uninstall. After that, just click on Uninstall again, and the app should be uninstall on your computer. So that's how to install or uninstall Microsoft Store apps in Windows 11 or 10. As always, thank you for watching.